Hey everyone, this is going to be one more short tutorial from me. So we are going to learn how to avoid distortion in applying bevel to a cube in Blender. So if you take a cube, this is the default cube. In order to apply bevel to this default cube, you need to go to edit mode first. So press tab to go to edit mode and press Ctrl B to apply bevel. So press Ctrl B to apply bevel. If you scroll your mouse wheel, you can apply segments in bevel on default cube. So let's see that. See, the segments are increasing. You can decrease it in the same way. So if you increase the size of the cube, you will know how the distortion happens. So let's keep this cube aside. Let's move it along y-axis. Press G and Y to move it along y-axis. Let's add one more default cube. Now increase the size along z-axis. Now go to edit mode and press Ctrl B. See, the distortion happens at the top and bottom of the cube. You can see it here at the top. I will rotate the viewport so you can see clearly where it happens. See, at the top and the bottom of the cube you can see the distortion. So if you want to avoid it, let's delete this cube, add a default cube again, increase the size along z-axis, open the right side panel. You can see the numbers of z-axis are changing while we are scaling it. So press Ctrl A and select scale. If we select scale, what happens is new transformed object data will be applied and every axis will have the same value. Now apply it. See, X, Y, Z all have same scale, same values. Now you can apply bevel, it won't be distorted. You can see it for yourself. So that's how bevel works. Hope you learned a new thing today. So if you like this one, please like it and share it. Subscribe to my channel for a lot more awesome tutorials like this. So hope this helped you a lot, and I'll see you in the next one.